Hello, we're going to give you a video tutorial on how to share the S1 database. What you're going to do is once you download it, now this is for users that purchase more than one license. So if you purchase 2 or 3 licenses, then you could share the same data file with those various users. All you're going to do is when you download it, it's going to download in a zip file. You're going to right click and you're going to click on extract all, or you can say extract to S1DB depending on which option you have on your computer. I'm going to do extract to S1DB. Then it's going to create the file on my desktop. I'll just move this out of the way. I'll open this up, and inside I'm going to have my files that's inside that zip file. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put this S1 data file onto your shared drive. So all you do is open up your network shared drive. In this case I created one on my C, but for you it would be on your shared drive. Same scenario. Open this up, and I'm going to drag this S1 data file. All I'm going to do is just right click on it, actually right click, and then I'm going to paste. Now the S1 data file is on my shared drive, and I can go ahead and close the shared drive. Now if you put this on multiple users' computers, then you're going to go ahead and hit delete, because you purchased more than one license. You don't want any one of those users to update the wrong data file, because all your tables are in this data file. So I'm going to hit delete and get rid of that. The only files I'll have left is the ACCDE file right here, which looks like that, and then the logo icon for the database. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my C drive, and I'm going to create a new folder to put those files in, because you don't want to leave your files on desktop that could get deleted by mistake. Here I create a folder, S1DB example. For you, probably create a folder called S1DB on your C drive. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take those files and I'm going to drag them from my desktop to that C drive folder. And then I can close the folder that was on my desktop. Don't need it any longer. I'm going to right click on this ACCDE file, the front end, and I'm going to select create shortcut. It's going to automatically create that shortcut right there, which will have an icon showing this shortcut. You're going to drag that to your desktop for your users so they'll have a quick way to access it. Then you're going to close this folder. This folder here, the S1DB on your desktop, is no longer any good, because remember we took all the files out. So we're just going to go ahead and delete that. And the only thing you should have left is the shortcut S1DB. Now you're going to open this up. If you haven't gotten your license key or sent your serial number, then you would continue to get this message. Once you send your serial number, which is located right here, to support@armydatabase.com, we'll send you back a license key for your purchase. Then you'll hit OK. Alright, so now I'm going to open up personnel and personnel data. Notice right here it's telling me that make sure the path is correct, because you've already moved your backend file, so obviously it's not going to open up your data file. So I'll just say OK, and that was just a test to show you that the data file has been moved. Now the order for me to relink that, I'm going to go to Utilities, Link Table Manager, because I'm trying to link to my data file where all my data gets stored. I'm going to hit Always Prompt for New Location, select all, hit OK. Now it's going to open up a folder. I'm going to go to my server. In my case, I put it on my C drive. Server example, S1 data file folder, and right there is the backend file. That's where all your data gets stored. All I'm going to do is double click on that. Now it's going to tell me all selected linked tables were successfully refreshed. I'll close this out. Now when I open my personnel data, as you can see, it actually opens up the forms for me, and then I can just punch in whatever I want, close it, open it, and you can see it's storing the data like it should. Alright, if you have any questions about how to do this, just send us an email to support@armydatabase.com, and we'll get back to you right away and try to help you out. Thank you.